Are you looking for a delicious way to boost your health and energy? What if we told you that your next favorite health trick could be as simple as blending a few ingredients? Welcome to Senior's Health Club. Today, we are thrilled to share recipes that are not just packed with nutrients, but are also perfect for enhancing your well-being, especially as we embrace our golden years. Whether you're looking to energize your mornings or need a tasty nutritional boost, these smoothies are just the ticket. Let's kick things off with the morning Energizer. You'll need a banana, a splash of orange juice, spinach, and some Greek yogurt. Note, orange juice is rich in vitamin C, and it helps our body to absorb iron from spinach. This smoothie is a powerhouse of vitamins and minerals, ideal for starting your day with a burst of energy. Next up is our berry bone strengthener. Combine strawberries, blueberries, almond milk, and a scoop of vanilla protein powder. It's rich in calcium and antioxidants, making it perfect for keeping your bones strong and your heart healthy. Feeling a bit adventurous? Let's whip up an avocado green tea smoothie. Just blend ripe avocado, brewed green tea, honey, and ice cubes. It's creamy and packed with healthy fats and antioxidants that are fantastic for your skin and heart. Our fourth recipe is the Digestive Delight. It includes papaya, pineapple, a teaspoon of ginger, and coconut water. This smoothie is not only refreshing, but also aids digestion and inflammation, thanks to the ginger and enzymes in the fruits. Last, but certainly not least, the memory booster. This one's a mix of beets, flax seeds, and a bit of cinnamon with water. It's designed to enhance cognitive function and maintain your brain's health. Optionally, you can also add walnuts. There you have it, 5 delicious smoothie recipes that are as tasty as they are beneficial for your health. Which one will you try first? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more nutritious recipes and tips for healthy aging. Thank you for watching.